today's topic will be this discussing JDK versus JRE versus JVM versus ClassLoader. So this topic is mostly why it is important because it is asked in the interview questions. For the experience of around 1 to 3 years, 4 years, or those who are freshers, anybody, the questions will be covered 5 years to 5 years of experience, and the questions will be covered based on the elaboration of JDK, JRE, JVM, and ClassLoader. So, if we get to know about the topic, what is JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit that is used to run, to compile, to debug, run the particular program to a particular program. Okay, and inside JDK there are JVM and JRE, both Java Virtual Machine and Java Runtime Environment, both JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so JRE stands for what? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE Runtime Environment, Java Runtime Environment. JRE provides an environment to run particular program. The environment within which a particular program can be easily run. JRE stands for JVM plus core classes and supporting files. Plus core classes which are required to run that particular and supporting files. While JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, Java Virtual Machine. This is the part for JVM. Again, JVM helps to convert byte code into machine code. Any byte code is there into machine code, thus making the platform independent. If there is a interviewer asks that how we can tell that Java is a platform independent language, so we can explain them that since if we write a .java file, okay, .java file, so what the JVM does, it converts it into .class file, and again this .class file is converted to means it is compiled to .class file, and again JVM converts it to .bytecode. Okay, bytecode. So this .bytecode we can use, we can take, and we can use in any different operating system, or different platform where we can run this program. So um, like on any machine, like if we are using in my laptop there is Windows, so if you want to consume this particular on Linux or Mac OS or any other operating system, also we can easily consume, because Java, what it does, it again it converts it into this bytecode to machine code, and again helps to run that program, on that particular machine. So this makes the Java independent language, means platform independent. Okay, this is a majorly important question. Now Java class loader. This question, this answer many people doesn't know properly. What is the class loader? Okay, so if any class is running, so that class is not automatically consumed by the environment. What happens? And Java class loader is a part of JRE, okay, Java runtime environment, that dynamically loads Java classes into the JVM. Java runtime doesn't need to know about the files and file system because of class loader. What happens? The JRE dynamically loads that class into the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, and the JRE, the runtime system, does not know about all the files and file system, because if JRE will come to know, then needs to know each and every file required, then it will be a bulky task, because JRE is an keeps a storage of a lot of file libraries and folders where it works on, upon it works on. So based on the requirement, the class loader set up the particular files to run that particular class. And then all the other classes are held back by Java class loader. Only the particular files required to run that particular program is appended by the class loader inside the JVM and to the JVM. Okay, method used to load classes through ClassLoader is getClassLoader. Method used to load load classes through ClassLoader is getClassLoader is the method which is used to load the classes. Okay, now ClassLoader can lend to occur exceptions. So based on this ClassLoader, there can be an exception which we need to, while we are writing a program, uh, we can, if we are loading a particular class, then we need to use ClassNotFoundException, because there can be a such which the classes which is trying to load is not found. So ClassNotFoundException. While types of ClassLoader means the steps in which the ClassLoader works as are uh, Bootstrap ClassLoader, Extension ClassLoader, and System ClassLoader. System ClassLoader. Okay, Bootstrap ClassLoader, Extension ClassLoader, System ClassLoader. And one last point we need to make a note is that, and this is also important point, that System ClassLoader is child of Extension ClassLoader. Okay, Extension ClassLoader. While extension loader child of boot while extension is child of bootstrap class loader. Okay, so this is the overall total scenario which is occurring. Okay, so thanks for this video. This is the total sum up. With this I will we can resolve any questions of interview based on this topic: JDK, JRE, JVM, and class loader. Okay, so, and I will put some of the details in the description. You can, if anybody wants to capture all the details, can take it from there. And so thank you.